Hello guys, today we're going to be doing Esperanto 101 Part 2. We're going to be doing a lot of things today, mostly describing the weather, nouns, and counting. So, first, we're going to talk about hot and cold. So, there's a difference. So, mal, M-A-L, the prefix, basically means the opposite of without the prefix. Like, for example, Malvarma's cold and Varma is hot. Now that we have Malvarma and Varma down, we can talk about what the weather is. Weather in Esperanto is vetero, V-E-T-E-R-O. And, yeah. So, Malvarma vetero would be cold weather. What would Varma vetero be? And what would La Malvarma vetero be? Write it in the comments. No cheating by using a translator, okay? So, we have a lot of things down. Wow, time's going fast. 1 minute. We need to practice nouns ending with J. We didn't talk about vero and verino, I don't think. Verino is woman, and vero is boy. Pretty simple. But if it's more than one, or sometimes you can just add a J to the end. So verinoi and viroi. And a human, just like human, person, whatever, homoi. H-O-M-O-J. So we have all those nouns covered. Now let's count. So what are the missing numbers? You can also write it in the comments. Unu, blank, blank, kvar. Don't write it in English, write it in Esperanto. It might autocorrect you, so make sure you... Yeah. So we had a viewer on an Esperanto short. Yeah, that's totally off topic. Whatever. Well, I know what viewers is. So to view something is spectanjoy. But viewer is spectanto. Spectanto. Okay, now we're going to talk about good and bad. Remember, the prefix mal. Malbona and bona. If bona's good, what do you think malbona is? That's right, bad. So, how would you say the good weather? La bona vetero. And you would say the bad weather, la malbona vetero. Good. Esperanto is supposed to be the main language of the world. It's really simple and easy to understand. And some words might be a little off if you're like a different language, if you're hearing this. So, yeah. If you like change it, like Chinese, it's easy to learn for a lot of people that have like Spanish, Dutch, Norwegian, French, English, Latin. I don't get Latin, but that'll talk about be in another video. So I'll talk about it in the comments. So we have all that down. Now a sentence. What would La Malbona vetero in La Malbona vetero. What would that be? Answer in the comments. So now we're going to do houses and room. So domo is house and room is... I forgot. I'll tell you. Just looked it up. Room in Esperanto is cambro. Spelled C-A-M-B-R-O. And add a J to it would probably be the plural, cambori. Bye. So,